This video will show you how to make a corporate reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily book rooms for corporates. A special discount may be provided for the booking. Let us see how. Under the desired room type, click the check-in date and drag the selection till the checkout date. As soon as you release the selection, the quick reservation panel opens. Click Agent or Corporate. The group reservation opens in a new tab. Select Corporate from the Group Owner drop-down list. Fill in the mandatory corporate details like company name, contact person's first and last name, and phone. Click Eligible for Discount to provide a corporate discount. The Group Owner corporate panel opens up. You can add further details to the profile. Note: if no discount is entered, then the global discount is offered automatically, which can be set up from Admin Console. In case you wish to override the global discount, you may enter the discount as desired. Click Save. A corporate discount alert panel opens up. Click OK. Note that the discount is applied to the final amount. Click Reserve to make the booking. The new reservation will be created on the front desk. Note that the reservations under Corporate are indicated by C and a briefcase. Alternatively, you may also create reservations for corporates that are already registered in the Admin Console. Follow the process of making a corporate reservation. Select Corporate from the Group Owner drop-down list. In the Lookup field, type the first 3 letters of name of the registered corporate. Select the desired Corporate A confirmation panel opens. Click OK. All the details will get filled based on the saved profile. A corporate discount alert panel opens up. Click OK. Click Reserve to make the booking. This brings us to the end of the video on how to make a corporate reservation.